Welcome to the Book MBA community. Today, we're diving into a book that aims to equip the next generation with the mindset and tools for extraordinary success. Grant Cardone's The 10x Kids. While many know Cardone for his intense business strategies, this book is specifically tailored to young minds, translating his powerful principles into language and concepts that children and teenagers can grasp and apply. Get ready for a summary that unpacks how this book encourages young people to think big, work hard, and achieve 10x levels of success in their own lives. The 10x Kids isn't about pushing kids to become mini adults overnight. Instead, it's about instilling in them a fundamental understanding of effort, goal setting, and the power of thinking exponentially from a young age. Cardone believes that the principles of success aren't age-restricted, and that by introducing these concepts early, we can empower young people to navigate challenges, pursue their dreams with greater intensity, and ultimately achieve far more than they might otherwise believe possible. The book kicks off by introducing the core concept of 10x thinking. Cardone explains that instead of setting small incremental goals, kids should learn to think 10 times bigger. This isn't about being unrealistic, but about understanding that most people underestimate their potential and what's truly achievable with focused effort. He uses relatable examples to illustrate how a 10x mindset can lead to significantly greater outcomes in areas like school, hobbies, and future aspirations. One of the foundational principles emphasized in the 10x Kids is the direct link between effort and results. Cardone dispels the notion of overnight success and highlights the importance of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. He encourages young readers to understand that achieving big goals requires consistent effort and a willingness to go the extra mile. The book uses engaging analogies and stories to illustrate how putting in more effort than the average person can lead to extraordinary achievements. The book also delves into the importance of setting clear and compelling goals. Cardone guides young readers on how to identify what they truly want to achieve, and how to articulate those goals in a way that is motivating and actionable. He emphasizes the power of writing down goals and revisiting them regularly to maintain focus and drive. The book provides simple frameworks and exercises to help kids learn how to set effective goals in various aspects of their lives, from academic achievements to personal development. The 10x Kids addresses the common challenges and obstacles that young people face, such as fear of failure, peer pressure, and the tendency to give up easily. Cardone provides strategies for overcoming these hurdles by cultivating resilience, developing a strong belief in oneself, and learning from mistakes. He encourages kids to view challenges not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth and learning. A significant aspect of the book is teaching kids about the importance of taking massive action. Cardone explains that simply having big goals isn't enough. You need to take consistent and significant action to move towards them. He uses relatable examples to show how breaking down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks and taking consistent steps forward can lead to significant progress over time. The book encourages a proactive approach to achieving goals rather than passive wishing. The 10x Kids also touches upon the significance of learning and continuous improvement. Cardone encourages young readers to be curious, to ask questions, and to constantly seek knowledge and new skills. He highlights the idea that learning is a lifelong process, and that the more you learn, the more opportunities will become available to you. The book promotes a growth mindset, where challenges are seen as opportunities to learn and become better. Throughout the book, Cardone uses clear, straightforward language and relatable examples that resonate with young audiences. He avoids complex business jargon and instead focuses on core principles that can be applied to various aspects of a young person's life. The tone is encouraging and empowering, aiming to inspire kids to believe in their potential and to take control of their own success. While the book is geared towards young people, the underlying principles are universal. The 10x Kids essentially provides a foundational understanding of success principles that can benefit anyone, regardless of age. It's about instilling a mindset of ambition, hard work, and resilience early on, setting the stage for a lifetime of achievement. In essence, the 10x Kids is a guide for empowering the next generation to think bigger, work harder, and achieve extraordinary results. It's about teaching them the fundamental principles of success in a way that is engaging, accessible, and inspiring. By introducing these concepts early, Cardone aims to equip young people with the mindset and tools to navigate their lives with greater purpose, drive, and the unwavering belief that they can achieve 10x levels of success in whatever they set their minds to. What are your thoughts on introducing these powerful success principles to kids? What lessons from the 10x Kids do you think are most valuable for young people today? Share your insights and experiences in the comments below. And if you're passionate about empowering the next generation with the mindset for success, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Book MBA for more insightful book summaries that can benefit learners of all ages. Thanks for tuning in, and let's inspire the 10x thinkers of tomorrow.